a Tanzanian woman who married a man from China's Xinjiang, recalled her time in the northwestern Chinese region, saying Xinjiang is a beautiful region and she enjoys living there. Hadiam Sham Abdullah from Zanzibar, Tanzania, tied the knot with Dilshad Turzan in Kashgar in Xinjiang 3 years ago. The couple said they tried to learn each other's culture, which also explains why they blend so well.
Coping with different cultures is very easy because we are all humans, and our basic needs is to eat, sleep, and breathe. So it's very easy for me to cope with those, and I try to learn their culture, and they learn my culture, and that is the way we blend together very well.
We are educated. We are very open mind. We can accept new things together. We can learn together. Yeah, we are understand each other. This is very important things to me and my wife.
Hadia said, based on her own experience, China is doing a great job in advancing and safeguarding human rights in Xinjiang.
China is a very beautiful country, but if I have to describe China in one word, that would be peace and safety, and that is the most important thing. I have traveled in Xinjiang, in more than 3 cities in Xinjiang, and Xinjiang is very beautiful. I have been in Kashgar, where we have settled down now with my husband, and I have been in Urumqi, which is a very developed city, tall buildings, so many developed areas, and Kashgar is still a developing city, but is more traditional and more cultural and colorful, and there's nice food, there is delicious food, there is excellent, beautiful music. So there's tourists that come from around the world to visit Kashgar. So it's a very beautiful city, very peaceful. People are very warm-hearted and loving. So I think it's an excellent idea to take development as a key to improve human rights. That is something that China is doing, is developing their society in order for people to live, for people to learn education systems, and then in order for people to grow in every aspect of life. So that is an excellent idea. If you are going to develop a country, you are going to develop the human rights of the people in that country. I love living in Xinjiang. I love being in Kashgar. In Kashi, where Uyghur people live in majority, and their lifestyle is good, their food is good, they have work, they go to work, they provide jobs, people can do their own businesses. So I think there is no discrimination when it comes to different ethnicities in China. The government treats everyone equally, and that is an excellent way to run a country.